Welcome to Titan's home of data tricks.
This phone is a Samsung Galaxy A50 and I'm going to show you how I'm going to extend its space. This one helps you to restore the speed and how it works. So we are going to see the storage. You can see that the storage is almost full. See it for yourself. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to extend. This is going to take us 1 minute to install this and follow what we are going to do. Just follow this and you are good to go. 1. We're going to Play Store and install a certain app. From here, you can click on Data Box. You can see I already installed it. So in my case, I'm going to open it. You're going to see all this. Going to get this space. When I open it, now I want to show you how you can come to photos, albums and so on. Like this one, I've already put it in the cloud. This one is already there. You can also upload videos and so on. Just automatic backup. You can keep it and so on. This is now our phone after all the setup. So if you are new, please subscribe and hit that like button for this video. I'm now going to show you the RAM that we have in this phone. We go to settings, yeah, there, you know something, you go to battery and device care. There you can now see this one here, very good. Battery, very good. Look at the space. Look at the space. The space is 64. Memory, as I told you, this is Samsung Galaxy. It's just like that. Thank you for watching and come back next time. Thank you guys. That is it. You can see here videos, documents and so on. All can be kept here. Thank you for watching this. Subscribe and come back for more videos.